It's I'm Priyanka. I'm back again with my new question answers of The Brave Lady of Rajasthan. Summary of this chapter. The story is about a brave lady of small village in राजस्थान. ये स्टोरी है एक बहुत ही ब्रेव और लेडी की जो कि एक छोटे से विलेज राजस्थान में रहती थी. Our country was attacked by enemy. हमारे कंट्री में enemy के थ्रू अटैक हुआ था. The battalion of the enemy was ordered to kill everyone whosoever comes in their way. Battalion को ऑर्डर दिया गया था कि कोई भी जो उनके रास्ते में आए सबको मार दिया जाए. To avoid the open encounter with the Indian soldier, the battalion selected a desert area to make a move. तो उन्होंने सोचा कि हम desert area से जाएंगे. Yet some home guards noticed the movement of the enemy and hence a nearby village was vacated वेल इन दैट टाइम. तो मतलब उतने टाइम में कोई होम गार्ड्स वहाँ के जो होम गार्ड्स थे उन्होंने देख लिया कि दुश्मन आ रहे हैं तो उन्होंने वो विलेज को खाली कर दिया. व्हेन द बटालियन रीच द विलेज दे नोटिस नो मूवमेंट. जब वो लोग विलेज पहुँचे तो देखिए वहाँ पे कोई मूवमेंट नहीं हो रहा, कंप्लीट साइलेंस है. दे सॉ नथिंग. वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं था. हेंस द बटालियन वाज टोल्ड टू द अलर्ट ऑफ कमांडर. व्हेन दे मूव फर्दर इन द लेन दे फाउंड बैग्स ऑफ वीट. और जब वो आगे बढ़ रहे थे रास्ते में तो उन्हें बैग्स मिला वीट का और कुछ ईटेबल प्रोडक्ट्स का, on which some were still smoking. Through all of them were spread here and deliberately so that enemy could not consume it. All the soldiers of the enemy battalion were hungry. सारे लोग बहुत hungry थे और thirsty थे. But they could not find anything to eat and drink. But वहाँ पे उनको कुछ भी नहीं मिला खाने को और पीने को. So they went in anger to kill the village people. So वो आगे बढ़े कि वो village के लोगों को मार ही देंगे. But could not find any of the villages was already vacant. But कोई नहीं मिला उनको क्योंकि पहले ही पूरे village के लोगों को खाली कर दिया गया था, वहाँ से शिफ्ट हो गए थे. दे सडनली हर्ड क्राइज कमिंग फ्रॉम द हर्ट. उनको एक रोने की आवाज़ सुनाई दी एक हट से. दे डिस्पोज्ड हेयर एंड हेयर दे आर होपिंग दे विल बी सम फूड और वाटर. वो सोची वहाँ उनको शायद कुछ खाना मिल जाएगा. द क्राइज वॉज 1 year old बेबी. वो रोना था एक साल के ओल्ड बेबी का. हु वॉज इन द लैप ऑफ हिज यंग वुमेन. जो एक उसकी मम्मी के गोदी में था. शी वॉज ड्रैग टू द कमांडर. उसको वहाँ से खींच के कमांडर के पास ले जाया गया. वन ऑफ द सोल्जर्स टोल्ड द कमांडर दैट दे फाउंड द लेडी हु वॉज विद एन ओल्ड मैन. उसने बताया कि ये लेडी एक ओल्ड मैन के साथ थी जो कि कम्प्लीटली पैरालाइज्ड है. द लेडी वॉज इन राजस्थान कॉस्ट्यूम. वो राजस्थानी कॉस्ट्यूम में थे और वॉज पेल इन द फेयर. वो डर से एकदम काँप रही थी. द कमांडर asked the lady why she was alone. वो लोग पूछते हैं कि तुम अकेले क्यों. The lady replied boldly in anger. She had to stay back to take care of his paralyzed man, his grandfather. क्योंकि उसे अपने ग्रैंडफादर के ध्यान रखना था क्योंकि वो पैरालाइज थे, वो खुद से चल फिर नहीं सकते थे. Then the commander asked that why all the villagers had left. फिर उन्होंने पूछा कि सारे विलेजर्स यहाँ से क्यों चले गए. The lady answered angrily why the commander did not know this. दे लेव बिकॉज दे वुड बी किल्ड बाई एनिमी. वो लोग यहाँ से इसलिए चले गए क्योंकि आप लोग उसको आके मार देते. देन द कमांडर इंक्वायर्ड अबाउट द बर्न चपातीज वीट एंड मीट. तो फिर उन्होंने पूछा ये जो जली हुई चपाती वीट और मिल्क है इनका क्या. शी रिप्लाइड दैट सो दैट एनिमी कुड नॉट फाइंड एनीथिंग टू ईट और ड्रिंक. ताकि कोई भी लोगों को कोई भी खाना ना मिले, दुश्मनों को कोई भी खाना या पानी ना मिले पीने को. सडनली शाउट ऑफ जॉय वेर हर्ड नाउ. उसके बाद सडनली लोग एकदम खुशी खुशी चिल्लाने लगे. सोल्जर केम विद सम ईटेबल एंड फाउंड एन अंडरग्राउंड होल which was covered with straw bed. फिर उनको एक होल मिला जो कि straw bed से covered था, on which paralyzed man was lying. जहाँ पे paralyzed man लेटा हुआ था. कमांडर बहुत खुश हुआ और रिकॉल किया दैट ऑल वेल्स द टैंक्स were being poisoned. He recalled that all the wells, उन्होंने बोला जितने भी टैंक्स है वो poisoned है. He inquired about same. It was saved by the lady for themselves. The commander further asked about her husband who was in heaven sacrificed his life for motherland. उनके उसके हस्बैंड के बारे में पूछा जिनकी डेथ हो गई थी, जिन्होंने अपनी मातृभूमि को बचाने के लिए अपनी जान गंवा दी थी. द सोल्जर asked the commander to consume the eatable and they were dying of hunger. सोल्जर कमांडर ने ऑर्डर दिया कि जितने भी खाने का सामान है वो सब ले लो क्योंकि वो लोग को बहुत भूखा प्यास लगी थी. But the commander was suspicious so he told the lady to drink the milk and to make her child also drink. तो उसने कमांडर को बहुत शक हुआ तो उसने बोला ये मिल्क पहले तुम और तुम्हारा बेबी को पिलाओ उसके बाद हम कंज्यूम करेंगे. द लेडी डिड द सेम विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन. वो लेडी बिना किसी हेजिटेशन के वो पी लेती है. देन द सोल्जर ऑल्सो कंज्यूम द ईटेबल. उसके बाद सोल्जर्स भी वो खा लेते हैं. सडनली द चाइल्ड एंड द लेडी टर्न वाइट एंड फॉर्म कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम द चाइल्ड माउथ. थोड़ी देर के बाद दोनों के मुंह से झाग आने लगती है. द कमांडर रियलाइज द लेडी हैज़ पॉइजन देम. कमांडर को पता चल जाता है कि लेडी ने उनको पॉइजन खिलाया है. ऑल द सोल्जर्स बिगैन टू फॉल इन द ग्राउंड. व्हेन द वॉर वॉज over people came to know about the heroic deed of the brave lady. उसके बाद जब वॉर ख़त्म हो गया तो उन सारे लोगों को उस हीरोइक लेडी के बारे में पता चला. ऑल ऑफ देम applaud his sacrifice. सब लोगों ने उसके sacrifice की praises की है. Long live the Marathis who fought for the country. Long live our motherland. Now The Brave Lady of Rajasthan. Take the correct alternatives. The soldiers were in different section in order to search out some food or water, find out only water for themselves, discover soldiers who had lost their way, attack the enemy. So it was option number A. Search out for food and water. All of you will die and go to hell, it shows. Firm determination and patriotism of young woman, feeling of sympathy towards enemy, weakness of young woman, her disappointment. Option number A. Firm determination and patriotism of young woman. State whether it's true or false. आपको बताना ये true है या false है. The brave young lady was a patriot. जो brave young lady थी वो एक patriot थी. True कि false? It is true. Now, the enemy wanted to kill everybody whosoever they encountered. It's true or false? It's true. The brave lady, young lady, was frightened when he saw the soldier. It's true or false? It is true. The brave lady did not know the poison, the provision were poison. It is false. The enemy battalion advanced for an open encounter for the Bharatiya Jawans. It is false. The soldier put the province which were put aside for the old man on the ground. It is true or false? It's false. The brave young lady did not know the province were poison. It is false. Just as a soldier drank and ate, they learned that the province has been poisoned. It's true or false? It's true. Now, next. Answer the questions. What were the unexpected discovery? The unexpected discovery was some sweet, several pot of water and cans of milk and curd. जो unexpected discovery उनको मिला था वो था sweet, several pots water का, cans का, जिसमें milk और curd था. Where did the soldier find things to eat? Soldiers को खाने का सामान कहाँ मिला? The soldiers found things to eat underground hole which was concealed by straw bed. एक underground hole में जो कि straw bed से ढका हुआ था. What did the woman say before dying? मरने से पहले इस woman ने क्या बोला? The woman said before dying, yes, I have poisoned you. All of you die and go to hell. तुम सब मर के hell में जाओगे. Who did the soldier take to the commander? किसको commander के पास ले जाया गया? The soldiers took the young woman to the commander. वो young woman को commander के पास लेके गए. What did the people do to save themselves? लोगों ने क्या किया अपने आप को बचाने के लिए? The people vacated the village and went to the place to save themselves. उन्होंने village को खाली कर दिया और अपने आप को बचाने के लिए चले गए. Why did the enemy march towards the little village? वो लोग little village के side क्यों गए? The enemy marched towards the little village to avoid an open encounter with Indian जवान्स. ताकि इंडियन जवान्स के थ्रू ओपन काउंटर ना हो, इसको अवॉइड करने के लिए वो लोग छोटे से विलेज के थ्रू जाते हैं. Who were there in the woman? Who were there with woman? Woman के साथ कौन था? 1 year old boy, एक साल का बच्चा और एक पैरालाइज्ड ग्रैंडफादर. Answer in 30 to 40 words. Why did the young woman stay back? Young woman क्यों रुक जाती है? The young woman stayed back to look after her old paralyzed grandfather. ताकि वो अपने बूढ़े paralyzed grandfather का ध्यान रख पाए. As he could not move with others to safe place, क्योंकि वो दूसरों के साथ safe place नहीं जा सका. The woman also stayed back for him. और जो woman थी वो भी उनके लिए रुक गई. What were her plans to kill enemies? उसका क्या प्लान था enemies को मारने का? The woman drank the glass of milk containing poison without any hesitation to make her child also drink the milk. It was a plan so that the enemy could trust and province were safe for consumption though it was poison. Woman ने वो glass of milk खुद भी drink किया बिना किसी hesitation के और अपने बच्चे को भी पिलाया ताकि enemy को उस पर doubt ना हो और वो लोग भी उसको खा ले और उसमें ऐसे poison था तो वो सब खा के मर जाए. Now, write the opposite word. The old man became weak. We are prepared to fight if the enemy attack us. The police dashed the thief and he answered. The police questioned the thief and he answered. We have read in the Bible about hell and heaven. Okay, fill in the blanks with the help in the box. हमारे words से marching, sacrifice, heroic, troops or costume. On 26 January, the parade began. The dash in colorful. The troops came marching in colorful costumes. Then we recollected the days of costume and great heroic of brave, bold Bharatiyas who died for the nation sacrifice. Now, read the following words and use them in own sentences to bring out the meanings. Sand का क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Send. Sand मतलब children like to play in sand. Send. Shreya will send a gift to me. Dying, the beggar was dying for thirst. Dying here is not good for health. So first sand मतलब होता है रेत. Send SEND मतलब होता है भेजना. DYING मतलब होता है मतलब मरना. DYENG मतलब होता है अपने बालों को कलर करना. हेयर मतलब डाई करना, मतलब अपने बालों को जो वाइट वाइट होते हैं ना उनको कलर करना, तो बोलते हैं डाई करना. हेयर, सपना विल कम हियर इन द इवनिंग. हेयर मीन्स यहाँ. HEAR, हियर मीन्स सुनना. द टीचर आस्क्ड कैन यू हियर मी. ऑफ, द जग इज मेड ऑफ ग्लास मतलब कि ये जग ग्लास का बना हुआ है. OFF, स्विच ऑफ द लाइट व्हेन नॉट इन यूज मतलब बंद करना. डेजर्ट, राजस्थान इज अ सिनोनिम्स ऑफ विद डेजर्ट मतलब कि रेगिस्तान. डेजर्ट, DESSERT मतलब कि कोई स्वीट डिश. सो वी ऑफन हैव डेजर्ट आफ्टर डिनर. WHOLE, होल मतलब पूरा. होल सिलेबस विल कम इन एग्जाम. HOLE मतलब छेद. देयर इज अ होल इन शर्ट. डीप, DEEP, डीप मतलब गहरा. दिस वेल इज वेरी डीप. DIP, डिप मतलब डुबोना. Some people dip biscuit in tea before eating. Reach मतलब पहुँचना. We will reach Delhi tomorrow. RICH, rich मतलब अमीर. Geeta is very rich. But Naman searched his room but he could not find his book. BUTT, but birthday bumps are given on but मतलब back. BUTT मतलब bag. और BUT मतलब लेकिन. So he could not match the bus so he was late. क्योंकि वो लेट हो गया. SOW मतलब बीज बोना. Farmers sow different seeds in different season. Now contains the following using no sooner than. आपको सेंटेंस को चेंज करना है यूज करके no sooner than. As soon as panchayat result were declared, people garlanded him. No sooner were the panchayat result declared than people garland him. आपने यहाँ क्या यूज़ किया? No sooner or than. As soon as it started to rain heavily, people went inside their house. No sooner did it start to rain heavily, than people went inside their house. As soon as it rained, the farmer began to plug the field. No sooner did it rain than the farmer began to plug the field. As soon as the teacher entered the class became silent. No sooner did the teacher enter the class than the class became silent. As soon as it grew dark, the gates of city were closed for night. No sooner did it grow dark than the gates of the city were closed for night. As soon as the tiger rushed at me, I fired a shot. No sooner did the tiger rush at me than I fired a shot. As soon as Prashant saw his mummy, he ran to touch her feet. No sooner did Prashant see his mummy than he ran to touch her feet. As soon as Krishna saw Sudama, he hugged him and began to weep. No sooner did Krishna see Sudama than he hugged him and began to weep. As soon as Ram asked Hanuman to see Sita, he set out immediately. No sooner did Ram ask Hanuman to see Sita than he set out immediately. Read the following sentences carefully. You should come in uniform. You may join the parade. You should come in uniform so that you may join the parade. You should come in uniform in order that you may join the parade. ठीक है. अब इस तरह आपको यूज़ करना है so that, in order that, modules auxiliary in sentences में. Now, Jaya had been working hard to get better marks in their than earlier. ठीक है. इन पर आपको यूज़ करना so that और in order that. So Jaya has been working hard so that she may get better marks than earlier. दूसरा है हमारा Jaya has been working hard in order that she may get better marks than earlier. Question number 2. Pramod take exercise every day to keep himself physically fit. Pramod takes every day so that he can keep himself physically fit. Pramod take exercise every day in order that he can keep himself physically fit. Anurag is studying regularly to improve his English language. Anurag is studying regularly so that he can improve his English language. Anurag is studying regularly in order that he may improve his English language. Kamal ran fast to catch thief. Kamal ran so fast Kamal ran fast so that he might catch the thief. Kamal ran fast in order that he may catch the thief. Jyoti drove fast to reach home in time. Jyoti drove fast so that he could reach home in time. Jyoti drove fast in order that she could reach home in time. Now, tick the correct alternatives. Who has ordered to march and kill everyone? Battalion, children, males या females? So, ये हमारा यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नंबर A. That is battalion. The battalion marched towards the little school village building boy. Battalion marched towards a little village. Option number B. The battalion were avoiding an open encounter with lion village Indian Jawans. Children. Option number C. Indian Jawans. The soldiers were dash of thirst and hunger, dying, 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 playing happy. Option number A. Dying. All the dash had run away. Dog, children, inhabitants, cows. So all the inhabitants ran away. Option number C. The soldier thus disappeared in hope of finding clothes, guns, sweet, food or water. Option number D. Food or water. The soldiers were dragging her to their commander country car village. Option number A. Commander. The old man was happy, sad, dead, paralyzed. Option number D. Paralyzed. The commander recollect that wells and tank were poisoned, filled, empty, dry. Option A. Poisoned. The lady husband died for food, water, motherland, jewelry. Option number C. Motherland. Answer the question in 10 to 20 words. By whom our country was invaded? Our country was invaded by enemy. हमारा country invaded था enemy से. Why did the battalion march towards the little village? सारे battalion village के side क्यों गए? The battalion marched towards the village, little village, because they wanted to avoid open encounter with Indian Jawans. Why did the battalion notice on reach? What did the battalion notice on reaching village? जब battalion क्या notice करते जब वो village पहुँचते हैं? Battalion noticed no movement and heard no voice. वहाँ कोई movement नहीं थी, कोई आवाज़ नहीं था जब वो village पहुँचे. Whom did the woman carry in his arm? Woman क्या carry की थी अपने arm में? An 1-year-old child, 1 साल का बच्चा. How was the paralyzed old man related to woman? कैसे वो paralyzed old man related था woman से? क्योंकि वो grandfather था उसका. The paralyzed old man was woman's grandfather. What did the commander give the woman and her child to drink? उसने क्या commander ने उसको क्या दिया? The commander gave milk to woman and the child. What were the provision hidden? क्या provision hidden? The provision was hidden in the underground hole in the earth which were concealed by straw bed and old man was lying on it. The provision जो hidden था underground hole में earth के और वो concealed था straw bed से जिस पे old man लेटा हुआ था. Why was the village vacant? Village खाली क्यों था? The movement of the enemy force was noticed by some home guard well in time, hence the village was vacated. जैसे ही होम गार्ड ने जो होम गार्ड्स थे उन्होंने कुछ एनिमी फोर्सेस देखे, उन्होंने विलेज खाली करवा दिया. व्हाट डिड वन ऑफ द सोल्जर्स आस्क कमांडर? एक सोल्जर ने कमांडर से क्या पूछा? वन ऑफ द सोल्जर आस्क्ड द कमांडर अलाउड टू कंज्यूम द प्रोविजन एज दे वर वेरी हंग्री एंड थर्स्टी एंड कुड नॉट कंट्रोल देयर हंगर. उन्होंने बोला कि पहले उसको कंज्यूम करने दो, उसके बाद हम खा लेंगे क्योंकि हमें बहुत भूख और प्यास लगी है. व्हाट डिड वुमेन से व्हेन द कमांडर आस्क्ड अबाउट हर हस्बैंड? वुमेन ने क्या बोला जब उसके हस्बैंड के बारे में पूछा गया? When the commander asked about her husband, the woman said that he is in heaven. वो heaven में है. वो उन्होंने अपनी मातृभूमि के लिए अपनी जान दी है. She further told that she had no relation except her child. Answer in 30 to 40 words. Why sudden shout of joy was word? क्यों sudden shout joy का सुनाई देने लगा? Sudden shout of joy were heard because a group of soldiers appeared carrying sweets, several pots of water and cans of milk and curd. They discovered all these things underground hole concealed with straw bed. What happened when the war was over? क्या हुआ war खत्म होने के बाद? When the war was over, the heroic deed of young woman became known to people. All the countrymen applauded her gallant sacrifice. She will be remembered forever for her sacrifice and bravery. Thank you.